You and Rigonda, how many rounds?
Surprise.
What happened when Nonito? Why did the fight end up getting canceled at the end?
Ebe scared me.
Yeah, you heard it. Nonito, he thinks that Nonito is scared of him.
Yeah. How did things get so personal between both teams?
Bakit naging personalan yung, I don't know, because Nonito's wife maybe, that's the reason why we end up up to this, but I really don't know what happened.
Does he think the fight can still happen in the future? Or?
Sa tingin mo ba posible pa din tong laban na mangyari sa hinaharap?
Yeah. Maybe soon, yeah.
You heard him again.
Rigondeaux beat Nonito, so it would kind of be a good win to have Nonito, win over Rigondeaux to entice Nonito to get in the ring maybe?
Tinalo ni Rigondeaux si Nonito, so tingin mo ba mas maganda talaga kung tatalunin mo si Rigondeaux?
Pag matatalo ko si Rigondeaux ngayon, si Donaire, lalong matatakot at saka si Naoya Inoue.
If I beat Rigondeaux, I know that Nonito Donaire will be more scared of me, and also Naoya Inoue.
What does he think? What did he think about Inoue his last performance?
Anong sa tingin mo yung naging performance ni Naoya Inoue nung huling laban?
Maganda naman, pero hindi pa rin ako masyadong nagandahan talaga kasi alam naman natin yung kalaban niya, parang hindi lumalaban ng parang natatakot Pag ako kalabanin yun, wala.
Great performance by Naoya Inoue, but to be honest, I am not impressed because his opponent is not so good. But I really believe that when I face Naoya Inoue, it will be a different story.
There's been some comparisons to Inoue with Manny Pacquiao. Is there any kind of comparison?
Ano sa tingin mo yung mga pag ikukumpara mo si Senator Manny Pacquiao kay Inoue? Ano sa tingin mo yung mga pwedeng ikumpara o ano sa kanila?
Wala, malayo pa si Inoue para ikumpara natin kay Manny Pacquiao. Manny Pacquiao is 8-time division. Naoya Inoue is only 1 division.
Not even close. The Senator is 8th division world champion, and Naoya Inoue, he's just starting. So we don't compare the Senator to Naoya Inoue.
Everybody tells me Janriel Casimero is the closest thing to being the next Manny Pacquiao. How does he feel about that?
Ang dami nagsasabi ikaw daw yung next Manny Pacquiao. Anong nararamdaman mo dito?
Hindi ko naman talaga in-expect na yun talaga yung nararamdaman ng mga tao. Hindi ko alam Yun talaga baka nakikita nila sa lahat ng laban ko yun. Parang nakikita na rin si Senator Manny.
I didn't expect that people will consider me as the next Manny Pacquiao, but maybe they can see me. They see Manny Pacquiao in me. Maybe that's the reason why they're calling me the next Pacquiao.
Why do the fans like Janriel so much? He's down to earth. He's on the hood. He's
Bakit ka gusto ng mga tao na sa tingin mo? Humble ka ba? Ano sa tingin mo? Anong kinagustuhan sa'yo ng mga tao?
Malakas, magaling.
I think the people like me because I am strong and I am good. Good looking maybe.